This is Eric Prater. This is my gyroscope for grid replacement for quiz 3. You can see we have frame, outside frame, and then an inner frame with a aircraft shape, a propeller type thing with the front that will create a yawing motion. We have a motor attached to the plane with a battery in the back, which powers the propeller. As you can see, we have the plane rotating on this piece of copper wire, and the copper wire is attached to 2 springs which act as restoring forces for damping, so the plane can remain stable. And now we will turn the motor on. And as we turn the crank, as you can see, as it goes up, there is a pitching, there's a yawing moment being created. As we come back down, it'll pitch back down, it'll go back to stable, and as we do it again, the more you pitch, the more plane yaws, as a gyroscope should work. And that is all.